Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS class. We'll continue with festivals and celebration. We're going to revise, as I've already spoken about the religious festival that is Diwali, children. Diwali is a festival of lights and which is celebrated by Hindus. And on Diwali, the people light up their homes with diyas, candles, bulbs at night. They pray to goddess Lakshmi by wearing new clothes, है ना, colorful new clothes, and they prepare lot many sweets, beta. And then after that they share the sweets with each other, and they greet each other by saying happy Diwali. And this Diwali marks the start of the winter season. Diwali is a message to the people that the winter season is going to start. So Diwali marked the start of the winter season. Then we'll talk about Eid. Eid is celebrated by the Muslims at the end of Ramzan, and that is a holy month of fasting. They pray in mosque, they also wear new clothes, they also cook good food, and they distribute the sweets, and they greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak. In West Bengal, the Hindus celebrate Durga Puja. On this festival, people go to beautifully decorated pandals to worship goddess. And on the 10th day, at the end of the puja, the idol of Durga is immersed into a river or sea. And this Durga, as I told you, Ma Durga is a sign of Shakti. Okay, children? Huh. Then we'll talk about Christmas. The Christians, they celebrate Christmas on 25th of December every year. And why do they celebrate, children? Because they mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, and they believe that on that day the Jesus Christ was born. People go to the church. They have a mass prayer over there. Mass prayer means the people together they pray for everyone. Then they sing the carols. They decorate the Christmas trees. They prepare the special food on this day. They wish each other Merry Christmas. Okay, children? And I think recently you have got this Christmas vacation for 10 days, children. That was all because of this Christmas festival. If imagine if you wouldn't have this festivals and all, है ना, there would have been no fun and entertainment, children. है ना? We'll talk about Guru Purab. Guru Purab is celebrated by Sikh to remember the birthdays of the Sikh Guru. The Sikh go to Gurudwaras to pray on this day, and they sit together for a community meal called langar. Community means the people, many people together, they sit together and they have this food, the prasad. Okay, and they also distribute the kada prasad also, which is made up, which is called as halwa. In higher classes, you'll be learning about this, about the halwa. It is made from, even your mama must be making at home, children. Aate ka halwa, you say, no? The same thing. But here they roast the wheat flour, then they add lot of ghee and the sugar, children. If they give you the kada prasad in your hand, you'll find lot of ghee on your hand, on your palm, children. They add lot of ghee into it. Okay, then we'll talk about harvest festival. Harvest is the time when the crops have become ripe and they are ready to be cut in the field. Yes, children, I have already explained you in the live class. And after a year of a hard work, farmers celebrate this time through harvest festivals. There are many such festivals in India. So please remember, harvest means the time when the crop is ready to be harvested. The crop pag jata hai, it becomes ripe and the farmers cut it. Okay, and this joy is been celebrated as a harvest festival. Okay, then we'll talk about Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. You know, Tamil Nadu state, beta, in the month of January. in the month of January. This January month is going on. Many festivals we celebrate, isn't it? And what do? The people decorate their house and they make a special rice dish called pongal. It is made up of rice to celebrate this festival. I repeat, Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in the month of January. People decorate their houses, they make a special dish, that is a rice dish, children, called Pongal to celebrate this festival. Then we'll talk about Baisakhi. Baisakhi is celebrated in Punjab every April. People dress in a colorful clothes. And on this day, they do the traditional Bhangra dance. The Bhangra dance is called as a traditional dance. Okay, a special dance which is called as Bhangra dance. And I think you all are aware about this. They wear a new clothes in Baisakhi beta. This is also a harvest festival. Okay, this celebration, the joyness of the farmers' children after a long hard work on the field. Okay, and a big thank you, children. Okay, in next class we are going to learn about Onam, Bihu, and some more other information we are going to make ourselves aware of. Okay, children. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.